Guys, boarding mag-ano na kami. Check-in. Hanapin na namin yung H8. Gate H8. Yeah. Oh no, H2. H3 over there. Yeah, yan. Hanapin namin yan. Ayan, papunta na. Ayan, that is a nice one. Wow.
H3 to 18.
Okay, yeah. Yan. Ako balot na balot. Siya naman naka-shorts. Mag-ano pa kami ngayon, oh. Nice one. Boat. Now boarding. Ayan. Oh, we're not rushing.
Find it first.
It's too early.
You gotta make sure you find it.
Yeah, it's there. We're going in the right track. Yeah. Gusto niya slow daw ako, sabi niya. Yeah, Chicago over there. No, lots of people. Yay! Yay! Yan. 2 minutes. Ayan, siya lang focus ko, guys. Chicago! Chicago at night! That thing. It's a lot of walking. It's 4. Yay! Nice. Ano ko lang, guys, ha? What? Lockdown. Lock. 5. Food. Over there, food. Are you hungry?
You got coffee in your hand?
I wish there's there's washroom here. What?
Starbucks.
No. Yeah. It's there.
Plane right there, ready to.
Not yet. 6 o'clock, check-in time. that's for the thing. Yeah.
I'm handicapped.
I don't know. Ouch.
We'll put it in.
Yeah. Okay, excuse. Excuse.
I just did a racket though.
Mm-hmm.
Said it before I pick up the freight. The cargo.
Yeah.
I drive this right here.
Oh.
In the airport. It's nice to
Don't
be out.
put it there, babe. People are. Go pee?
You.
No.
You see it. It's right there.
It's there? Where?
You got your ticket.
It's over here.
It's the right one. Check
Yeah, it's number 8, right? Oh, it's
it.
here. Yay! What time is it? Here, number 8.
What time is your ticket? At 6?
Yeah,
It's almost 6.
check the thing. It's over there. $6.55.
6:55.
Yeah, because the flight we will fly at 7:30, I think. Yeah. Yeah.
6:55 boarding time.
Yeah.
Day the 14th.
Yeah.
Or the LAX Los Angeles H8 gate H8 departed 7:30. Boarding time 6:55. Oh. We got a whole hour.
Huh?
We got a whole hour.
You wanna pee? Go first.
And then we're here.
Where? Oh yeah.
You bet.
Yeah, I will go to. Yeah. Tatlo lang kami, baggage claim. Yeah. Ayan, yung labas. Yung labas. Yan. Wala pa yung eroplano namin, guys. Wala pa yung eroplano namin. Walang eroplano. Wala pa. Oh, it's over there. Nandun na pala, guys. Waiting na. Boarding kami ng 6:55. Pero ano pala ngayon? I think 5. Okay, yun lang, guys. Yan lang muna. Bye!